So something I'm working on, not at the bench, but I thought I'd show you guys real fast. So North American Arms 22, and I've already disassembled it, but the first thing to know, if I can find it here while I'm holding the camera, is the handle comes off normally, but this screw right here, this one, see how it's boogered up there and in the center? This is a reverse thread screw. So you turn it this way to take it apart. Somebody has tried to force it counterclockwise to take it off. But that is on North American Arms, this plate comes off with a reverse thread screw. And then internally, I see the problem already. Right here is a place where there should be a spring and a hand, and there's the hand on the back. Let me find it here. There's the spring. This is hard to see on the gray, but there is the spring that goes in that groove. And then where is the hand? Maybe it's missing the hand. Anyway, the important part was the reverse screw needs to be done correctly, or else you're going to really jigger up your screws and not be able to fix